We're making LeLe's family style chicken Alfredo. Let's go.
What's up, YouTube family? It's your sis LeLe, and I'm here on Mack's Kitchen and Grills channel, y'all. Today I'm gonna whip up some chicken Alfredo, some blackened chicken Alfredo. So let's get started. We're gonna start with the chicken here. I already pre-cut, some chicken in the bowl, but I'm gonna show y'all how I do it over here. So I got a slab of chicken breast right here for you, and I'm about to cut it up. Get this thing going. Y'all see? Great. Put it around here. Alright, y'all.
Let's go ahead and add in some olive oil. This will definitely help the seasoning stick to each and every piece of these here chicken nuggets. And then I want to add in some black pepper. Now, I want you guys to use your own judgments for this, okay? Talk to your ancestors and let your ancestors tell you when to stop. Go ahead and add in some salt, just a little bit of salt, because we're going to use other ingredients that has salt content in it. And we have some Cajun seasoning, just a little bit of Cajun seasonings. Like I said, use your own ingredients or your own measurements, but be mindful of the salt content. Now I want you to use some of this here garlic, roasted garlic and red pepper seasoning. I got these at Ross. I love this stuff, y'all. Y'all know I do. Then we have some garlic and onion seasoning blend. Now this is LeLe's recipe, and she really hooks this stuff up for us. So this is some parsley flakes. We want to add parsley flakes to this. And this woman cooked this stuff many a days for us as a family, and this is definitely a family meal for a huge family. All right, so we have some Italian seasoning, and if you're going to a cookout, this is a good dish that you could whip up to take to a cookout as well. All right, and we also have some oregano leaves, some dried oregano leaves, and this is going to be some flavorful chicken, y'all. Every piece is going to have flavor to it. Indeed. We have some of this here Yummy's blackened seasoning. I'm telling you, I love this here Yummy seasoning. Blackened seasoning it is a good ingredients. I'm telling you. Then we have some Knorr's Knorr's tomato flavoring. And if you know me, y'all know I love that Knorr's. So let's mix everything together. Now Lily has a clean cast iron skillet, and she's adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the skillet because she just wants to brown her chicken nuggets right now, okay? And after these pieces are brown, she's going to move them to the side and go to the next step. So let's check it out. All right, now she got some button mushrooms in the skillet, and she got 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and she's going to add just a little bit of the olive oil, and she's going to take these button mushrooms and saute them down just a little bit. And you don't have to clean that skillet after you cook that chicken. You could definitely do this without cleaning out that skillet. Let's go. All right, so right now she's deglazing this pan with 1 tablespoon of water. She wanted to get all of that goodness at the bottom of this pan because we're going to add this to the pot. All right, now once you got that done, you want to take 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1 stick of unsalted butter, add it to it, and then we're going to take 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. Jarred garlic would work fine. If you want to use the fresh, go ahead and use fresh garlic, but jarred garlic would definitely work for this here recipe as well. And we want to go ahead and just melt the butter down. And with your heat, you want to go ahead and take it to like a medium heat and allow your butter to melt. And once your butter melt, let's go to the next.
Okay, so I already added the heavy whipping cream inside. And with the butter and the garlic, and then I put a little bit of the roasted red pepper, the roasted garlic and the red bell pepper spice blend, the garlic and onion spice blend, the Italian seasoning, and then the salt and the pepper. So now I'm just going to finish it up by adding some Cajun seasoning, Louisiana style.
Did you use 2 containers of that?
Yeah, I used 2 containers of the heavy whipping cream. The Cajun seasoning, I put pepper. No, I didn't put pepper yet. Black pepper. The Yummy's Blackening seasoning. And then your Parsley Flakes. Then we're going to give that a good stir. And we're going to let that cook. So all the flavors can blend in the sauce. So I'm about to add in some Parmesan cheese. 2 containers of Parmesan cheese. I just mix it all in so it can melt and be creamy, and it'll thicken the sauce as well.
Now, if you don't have a large pot like we have right here, you could definitely use a baking pan, a large aluminum foil baking pan, and this would definitely work. And you could just slip it into the oven and just allow it to continue to thicken. And then once it's done in the oven, you can serve this baby up to the family and friends at any family function, or even a cookout, or even a good catering gig. Try this recipe and I guarantee you'll definitely like it. LeLe, I love you. Thank you for sharing this recipe. LeLe really did her thing with this one right here, y'all. Like we say, this is definitely a family packed meal, chicken Alfredo. Thank you guys so much for watching this here video. If you could, click on my photo and then click on that subscribe button to become a Ray Mack family member. I really do appreciate you guys. Please comment below. Let me know what you think about this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.